Press the bell icon to never miss a video from POPxo Daily.
Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of POPxo Makeup Masterclass. Glitter on the eyes is just so common. So for today's video, I decided to go glam and do a face full of glitter. So without further delay, let's get right into the video. So that was it for today's video. I hope you all like this look. Let me know your views about it in the comment section below. And since you love us and our content so much, I have a little surprise for you. You can join the MyGlamm Insider program and get ₹150 off on all MyGlamm beauty products. The link to join is in the description box below. And for more such videos, you know what to do. Like, share and subscribe to POPxo Daily.